Asilayikeni phela ngizobona ukuthi khona abantu abaphila saka la. Ola buhle. Ngiyaphila ngisho uDecember uhlala kanjani ungaphili ngoDecember because since from January silindele uDecember sikuyi. Stop. Nenking. Hi butterfly. Nenking. Stop. Pulisa abantu ngesihuwa yo. Imagine your friend took your money. It's my friend. It's my friend. Marozo ipatala. Copy. Yobathi ngikuphi? Ngikhona la. Isibanga bangeni. Tholakele nje. Sucabangile. Yebo. Buza ngizophendula. Hayi man guys, ngiyanibona nina stresswa ukuthi niyophuza ngoDecember. Ni stresswa ile party yokuyophuza ngoDecember. Guys, ithingijeleni ungagroova nanoma kuphi la ufuna ukugroova khona ngoDecember. Mawufika lapha uyawatshela ukuthi you are part of the sound engineers. Utshela ibhaunsa kanjalo. Sound engineers. Siyabacaka isilungu vele. Bazokudedela ungene. Uyangena and then you lock in. Mawungena you lock in. Ubheka abantu ozobaphuzela. Uyakulaba abajayiva kakhulu. That's your target. Hey, lashisa letiya. Ola sambe siyothatha lento. Hambo ithathu u1. Hambo ithathu u1 lento. Ibrush bani uyibuni lento. Hambo ithathu u1 ayingeke. Noma Nsululu dumelanga noma Nsululu ngiyashaywa musi mangidlala ama match ngiyashaywa musi. Ubani unga enjoy ukushaywa njalo mara. The Trip Kids, I miss you bro. Missed you too. Ndayelo first. King Ravaza, you know it. Twice. Brutally decline. So cabangile ne. Awukusiyami. Stizi, singezwa ngawe. Ibrush ibunu kanti. Anazi nene ukuthi uma uhamba uyothatha lento izokubrush ibunu. Hamba uthatha lento uzobuya isicocele. And asizingeni ke thina. Asizingeni. Ungafika isocela usizo la kithi asizingeni thina. Hey angilala ebusuku. Right. Hamba uyithatha uzobona wena. Go and take it and you shall see. Esilungu leso siphume ebusuku kuphela. Haw, tshele will pay parking asizingeni vele. Mawenza. You is unmatched. Please do not die. Yo mina ngeke ngife mina. Angeke ngife manje. Singathi angeke ngife but then angeke ngife manje. Ngisayoguga mina ngisayohamba ngenduku mina. Yangithola. And then ingqondo yami le mayisala. You know abantwana beni bayofunda ngayo history ukuthi this was South African Frankenstein. Bayifake lapha emuseum abantwana ababhadale for ukuyibona ingqondo yami lapha ya neska Nix user wena sinanda iG4S awaphumi imali sesihamba ngeaeroplane manje njengoba ku December ngisho bayasazi imali sesihamba emoyeni azihambi ngetruck mawubona itruck Nix bayoyiwasha truck imali ayisahambi nje Pel truck imali ayihambi emgaqweni kuloko hambe like bayihamba ngamali helicopter manje sekumele sibazele neplan and they like you too. Amachita 13 are ready. Yeah uzwe nje makhekheba ufika sophuthumile ufuna ukusibambisa wena ngamaphoyisa wena ufuna ukusibophisa wena ngiyakubona ufuna ukusibophisa ufuna senze into ngokujaga yonke into ifuna planning, accuracy. Howuzwe yo lesilungu accuracy. Keep the dictionary lapho. Hello Belinda. Uyazishisa before wenza ama video. Hi Babalo. Angizwanga umbuzo wakho. Wadlula phezulu ekhanda. Ama AK47 akhona ungawari. No, wena uzosifakela amaphoyisa. Thatha ama AK47 wakho. Nangi futhi nangi maphoyisa nangi lo ama AK. Uye lo ula. Ufuna ukusibambisa wena. Guys, ngicela ekini nangabe baphana ngama Christmas presents. Phela thina sijwayele ukuthi sidle several colors. Iphume kanjalo. Iphele kanjalo iChristmas. Nangabe ekini baphana ngama several colors. Guys, simemeni ngama Christmas presents. Kahle ngisho Christmas presents. Yo. Kunina ama several colors sidla amakhabishe, ama butternut. Ayi, and then iphele kanjalo iChristmas. Yes, on Christmas gift. Hey guys, why ngasenziwa abelungu kuphela lento? What do you want for Christmas? Christmas, igift awukhetha ngisho. Ubona seyizi ukuthi this is a gift. Igift awukhethi, ukhetha kanjani igift? That's why gifting mele ingabi ne price tag. Abanye baza nama price tag. Igift yakho ihamba no 100 rand. Ninjani kanti nini? Don't worry, we will invite you. Ngangitshela ukuthi we will. Vino snaps. Eish, Vino snaps kunina yabona mayeso uyashaya. Sesingavula iUFC ngawe. Wena wake WhatsApp lento. Uzoboshwa. Vula emnyango ngiphethe esinye staff buda. Khathele wena. Sokushaya impandla yakhe ngempanga. Khathele wena. Manje ufuna indodana yakho ibe gay. I wouldn't mind. Nina vele nikhona la ngaphandle vele ninamakhanda aqinile. Hayi, umntana mangeke abe gay. Mina mangabe ufuna kuba gay it's fine. Banemali labantu. As long nje u10k ngenyanga. Right nomfana wami. The gorgeous. It's right no the gorgeous. Si grand. You must come collect gift and money. Uyabo udlala ngami. Ngizoza ngithi ngizozilanda. Phela angidlali kanjalo mina. Mina ngithembisa imali mina I'm there. Mawuthi uzongipha imali ngo9, ngiqala ukuyilinda from like ngilindile from ngo6. Mara uthe uzongipha ngo9. Ungadlali ngami kanjalo. Akudlalwa kanjalo. You don't play like that. Faith, thank you ice cream. Sikushaye over sibala amehlo manje ke ngitshele ke. Shooting movie. 100 rand sharp. Mara uzolwesa umfana endlini. Hayi guys, niyangazi ni 21st century manje. Nizoloko nithi hayi umntana mangeke abe gay. 21st century. Wonke umuntu uwayilento afuna kuba yiyo man. Amaphara ngaka. Ubatlang ntwana yakhe. Hayi ukuthi ngibatla ntwana yakhe. If ever ntwana yakhe ibatla uba gay. Kukuyo man. Kukuyo. As long end of the month i10k ingene endlini ayifaka i10k endlini. Ukuthi yena wenzani okwakhe. Angisho mina ngisigay. It doesn't matter. Impilo yakho Sibusiso. Usibusiso khothe ukhethele impilo. So ngeke ngimkhethele mina as long angasiphara man. Maruthe 5k sengibonisa minister ukusho ukuthi ukubonisa ukuthi as long aletha income you understand income inside the household. Hayibo. Yo isilungu esingaka ilese singifanelayo. bank account yakho. Dali, hey. Mina ngikhathele, hey. Yabo ngiyanikhomba ngizonibophisa nina. Ngizonibophisa mina ngoba angeke uzothi bank account yami mangiyifaka la ungafaki nix. Uzama ukuthini kahle? Uzama ukuthi bengiwaste isikhathi. Wenzani? Unjani umuntu? And usibusisa ashade umlungu ase-France, please asihlali la. Angadlali kanjalo naye isibusiso. Usibusisa ngeke azojola noSiyabonga. Angasishwayeli kabi. Kumele atsho Islamikov. Uyang understand? Islamikov bali ama-Russian. Abantu base-Russia li abelungu. Watching you from Zimbabwe, my brother. Now lady, you eZimbabwe nangizwa. Can you hear me? My language. Shuthi kahle ngiya explain. Yabona when it comes to explaining, hi, I'm efficient. Yo, niyasazi lesilungu engisikhiphayo guys. Ilesi saku dictionary kuphela. Ngeke umana usizwe nje uhamba ngeke. Bro, I saw you 2 days ago. Where? Mara no, nanoma ungangibona man. Avela ngizifihli. Ungibonile? Yes, ubone mina. Angizifihli vele mina ngikhona. Can I join and show my talent? What's your talent? Wenzani, you dance, you sing? Phela kumele ngazi ukuthi mangifaka la ngi-expecting. I'm expecting a song. Ngikufake la usithuke. Nangu umngane wama-hurry up. Uphi? Ayikho enye indlela kungcono ngivele ngiyithathe ngeke ibalance yami iku-negative. Yo. Eyakho at least iku-negative. Sineyikoloto wena man. Sifuna ama-talent wemali bakithi. Sifuna ama-talent wemali umuntu asitshele ukuthi yabona this is a hack. Ngabona mawuzoyenza kanje uya uyothatha impahla. Mawunganamali yokubhadala bathi duster itaju lapha. Usitshela into ena kanjalo esingazazi. Talent nje sengicabanga so that I can sing behind nami ngenza imali. Nginike ama-bank details ngifake imali. Riri man. Uya lapha kubhayo yami ufike ubheke lapha uzobona iplan. Ngiyakutshela iplan izohlangana nawe kaso. Riri. And yize ngathi ngiqingi la. Ngiyakutshela ubhaqanga uzungakhali. Ungasangikhulumisi ikhombene vele. Mina nawe mayihlangana siyalwa sashayana. Bhuku. Ngimnani King Ravaza. Sengicabangile siye kwimesh. Akuyafana ngeninginise lana. Angeninginise. Ngishayisa nje kunini ngishaya kulama mesh. Sengize ngishapha mina. Kunini ibhukuzo.
Yo, that's one thing I didn't want to go by number to how. Hannah, Shakiri. Just say no. Hello.
Hello. Ubani okupa inamba zabantu la?
Me.
Ubani sifika sekupwa la kupha bani?
Okupa mina.
Wayibapala mesh. Wayibapala mesh. Bapala mesh. Or you like to mingle?
I'm full singing right.
You are here to mingle kahle wena. Cassandra.
Last time I got into
Boo. Explain it late. Explain it slow for me. I can explain it fast enough. Small as per month. Yo, guys, that's gay. That is gay. Hi, outside me hambile and the be live. Simon. Shit. Thank you, Seming Rose. Marie! Hey! Ah! Ah, good Marie.
How are you, my friend?
Very good, very nice.
Brother, you have called the Banzari.
Vuzari no more. Dead.
No more Banzari.
No more Vuzari.
Dar unde ești? Where is you?
Where is me?
Yeah.
In South Africa. Where is you?
South Africa, oh my God. You have a sister for me, me single, no married.
Yo, you have a sister for me single also.
Ah, no good like this, sir. No good. You have
No,
cousins,
me have, listen,
you have
Mari,
one friend for
Mari,
me, you have one...
me have a sister for you. You have a sister for me.
Auzi, Lee, că ce vrei. Here. Here.
Yeah, I want your sister. Nice
Hey.
marriage.
Let's play match, eh? Cum dau aici? Let's play match. Match. Oh! Acceptă, băi.
Mari, me marry your sister, very nice.
If you lose, you're gonna take some eggs, some flour, and put it on your face, yeah?
I won't lose, Mari.
But
What
in
if
case
you lose? What if you lose?
Say something. What should I do if I lose?
Ce gagiul ăla, meu?
What should I do then?
You track. You know how to track. Quack.
No, mamă, că ne... Păi, pe cine mai băgat aici? Chiar eu i-am zis să se dea
Yabona
cu mine
senangihleba manje, Mari, buya. No, Mari, ningangihlebi. Yeah. Hey guys, ashayina uMari. Hey guys, ashayina uMari.
Mamă, că...
Nithathaphi mina iflower.
Să moară băieții mei, vrei scandal cu mine? Băi, ciocolată, vrei scandal? You take egg, am pune în face.
I won't, Mari.
Egg and flour.
I won't, Mari.
Lose. Egg, flour. Vrei că suntem pe live. Egg and flour.
Guys, asenzeni sibaningi. Bheka manje sebangifrize sengisidumbu, bangibona ngathi ngisidumbu la ku TikTok. Bangifake ama-icing. Hayi guys, ashayini
flour,
ngithi.
brother, you put
Asimbambeni.
egg, big flour,
Akahluphi
put it on
futhi
your
lo.
face. If you lose. Egg,
Uyaqala ukuyibona into ena kanje.
you're losing, prepare, man.
Or if
Go.
you lose, you give me your sister.
Go in the kitchen and find egg and flour and put it on your face, man.
Don't worry.
Come on. Mam.
Guys,
Amor,
awubheka guys, ubonisa umndeni wonke. Ubonisa umndeni wonke ukuthi uyangishaya.
Hey, go and take egg and flour, hey. Egg and flour. Go and put it in face. This to face. This calls me face.
Bangise. Guys, yabona ningihlekisa ngalabantu laba abangaphesheya manje. Yabo like manje sekathi jabulisa umndeni wakhe wonke. So happy umndeni wakhe manje ngenxa yami ukuthi ba leader. Phela lo umuntu makangawina laba umshayeli party kusasa. Bathi i-victory. Basho mina bangibiza nge-victory.
You tea? You have tea, brother?
I have tea.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Mama mâncare.
You are drinking tea. Ngijabulela amarules.
Egg and flour.
Yeah, Mari. Your friends are gifting you. Your friends. You see your friends.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
No cheating.
No cheating.
No cheating.
Good.
Prepare, hey. Go and find some eggs and some flour.
You win mina. I will
I'm
win,
winning.
don't worry. I will win.
DK! Dă-acolo cadou, DK!
Bagă cardul, funcționează.
Paule! Bagă cardul.
La fire,
Trandafiri!
Hayi guys, labantu bahiphi laba. Abantu basemazweni. Bazilawule lana. Hayi. Asivume awubheke nje baningi kanjani. Awubheke.
Name? Motherfucker.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Huh?
what's your name?
It's King. My name is King.
Ken?
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 King. King.
Ken? Ken?
Yes.
Ken?
Ken top.
Yeah. Not Kim. Not Kim. King. King.
Ah, Ken,
Crown.
Ken.
King.
Ești chinuit, Ken. Chinuitul, gata.
Deci ce va rămâne de el.
You speak Romanian?
No, I speak Zulu
Zulu, what's this Zulu?
and English.
And English.
What is Bruno?
You be England? Cum zice? You go England?
What do you speak?
Me?
Yeah.
Ai văz. Să te Cosmin. Pentru mine a zis. Dar mai zici și pe limba lui. Mi donează aici. Băi, urât.
Guys, bahlekisa nangesizulu labantu laba. Nisnipeni guys, mina ngithembele kini manje. Sangasnipe la angazi ukuthi nithini ngalama streak wami engiwawini kangaka. Asiye nyimesha. Ha. Ningishayisa ngalo mfana lo.
Los what
Hai.
egg and flour now. Go and make a mask.
Yes.
Now,
Egg and flour.
yeah, you.
Tata.
Dați un pași.
Ngahlanya egg and flour bani. Egg and flour bani. Uyahlanya. Nangapha kangishanga kakhulu. Mina manje ithi phapha. Hayibo oh. Uyasangana. Angeke angiphe nemali nangapha egg and flour mina. Yo. Molo mihle. Egg and flour. Egg and flour bro. Nawe lapho uthi egg and flour bro. Wena yenzele egg and flour. Yo. We won lapha in spirits. Batshele we won in spirits. Egg and flour. Uyazi ukuthi malini iqanda sengizoliphokoza ebusweni. Iflower yona. Hayi. Bayahlanya lapha. Hawu.
Beats background looks so good, no?
Ngathi umshaya ke lona. Hey brother.
Huh?
Brother,
Hello, sir, are you okay?
are you okay? Wathi ngikubamba. Hamba. Nenhloko embi. Nangabe uhlele ebeach mara uhlele esofeni. Egg and flour. Egg and flour ukuthi bangishayila ngisho kuleya mesh. Manje bathi egg and flour. Insizwa.
Ekuseyonto
Ba, why ungaveli wena? Ba, khipha mina. Baleka ngadlula ngahamba. Hey. Ngimoto etshontsha imali. Yo, nginikhohliwe. I forgot you. Kai what? Nginikhohliwe. Ukuthi khona nina so. Nama what. Ayi. Awula nje yo manje ngo10. uDecember ulala ngo10. So ulele wena awukho ready. Mele sikuchampise oh. Hey,
hi
right.
Kisharp wena
Nami ngisharp. Le live uyenzela ukudlala ama mesh or uborekile? Uyamingile.
whatever you want my brother. Where's uncle? I don't know where he is.
Ngizwe enye voice ithi ho lapha emuva. Unomuntu ivoice.
What about it?
Ngizwe ho deep nyana. Khona umuntu
Ankere mina ke ndoda.
unalini ndoda.
Mina I'm a ndoda.
Le indoda engizwa ku background yona kabani?
Mina me.
Yakho.
No, I am a ndoda.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
I'm a man.
Ngiyaku-understand ne ukuthi how angazi independent or ubusingle bakho ugcina uzishada wena.
Anyhow,
No right. Uhlala phi? Sengibheke igama lakho.
Deep Kloof,
Bani igama lakho?
Samprati Han.
Hayi igama lakho lamampela leli elikhona. Njengoba ulibone lami ukamusa ngisho. Leli lakho
My
lamampela.
actual name, how?
My you think wena you okay njengoba unganginika igama lakho you think I will steal you or something.
Anything is possible.
Okay, mara igama lakho cabanga abantu abanalo bayengakhi.
They don't need to know. They just know me as Samprati Han, and it's gonna stay like that.
Okay, Samprati Han. Unjani?
Sharp, wena.
Nami ngisharp. Bengekho sharp uthile ngibona wena sengisharp manje. Uyenzelani manje lento le? I know, yazina ngisekho sharp futhi.
Let's see.
Deep Kloof ngiyayazi. Inkinga manje mangizokutshela ukuthi mina ngihlala lapha ngeke wazi wena.
Where do you love? Where do you love?
Wayezwa khona le ndawo le special. Ngiyakutshela ngisho Davidson indawo especial kakhulu exclusive. Uyayazi Sampriti Han?
Angazi.
Awazi and ukhuluma iSpedi kuphela ne?
I don't speak.
iSpedi.
I don't speak. I only speak English and Afrikaans. I just put it, you know what I can say. I just
Hayi man ngiyayizwa le voice yazi bengisi ngizwa ngapha mhlambi kimi. Khona indoda lapha, indoda. Na mara serious uzama ukuthi ngiyahlanya. Ngiyayizwa lo muntu uyakhuluma. Indoda leyo.
you are hearing your own things. It's me, like my inner being. Guys, thank you for the follow and the like.
Oh manje awuthi sihlala igame while ngisakhuluma. D5. 5. Accept.
Guys, thank you for the follow. Let's one. Yo.
No, not against me, not against me. And then I'm taking the advantage.
Guys,
Ngithatha ama chance.
Sana, guys, let's do the move.
Sampriti Han. Don't worry. Accept. You've lost. Asikhulume ngezinye izinto. Deep Kloof where?
Zone 6.
Grooving places there. Zikhona nje indawo is right.
I don't groove.
Yo, what do you do for fun man? Huh?
Look the end there.
Simshayeni.
Guys, I can't lose. Like, guys,
No, it's possible. Here, it's possible. You will. Don't worry. Accept your fate.
Please send your people to me also, some of them.
Batshele balaba kubona. Tell them.
Guys, come the side. It's nice the side. Come join the family. Come join me.
How many people do you have there? 2. Awachanza.
It's my 2 cousins.
The background. Oh.
The other one is sitting that side by the door.
Right. Manje,
No, please come this side.
no, don't beg them. Like it's done. It's a done deal. I'm whipping you now. So Hey, brother May,
Away buta.
how are you, my guy?
I'm good and you?
Very nice.
Glad guys.
Thank you, Keto.
Yo guys, Mas Damian
Yeah, wanna now. Listen, my guy. Now that don't show your face. If I'll beat her. Give back the phone to the some pretty hand.
You sure?
Hey. We want you. We want you, some pretty hand. Yes. Don't pass the phone. Hey.
No, they took the phone and then yeah.
Follow. Can you please follow me?
If you want, I'm not gonna follow you.
Oh, yo, I'll win for sure. Shame.
Yo, okay, so it's gonna be my my first loss or what? Yo.
You came across the wrong person. I'm sorry to do this to you. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. But sorry at the same time.
It's fine, I guess. I'll get it back at the end of the day, so it's fine.
Follow me so that you can come for revenge.
I'm losing, so no.
Revenge.
I don't do revenge, Mina.
Wena. Mina is Zulu, Tombazana. How's it? Mina. Okay, Mina is a Zulu word.
I must give you a Zulu word.
Mina. You said you don't do revenge. Mina. Didn't you?
No, I said I don't. Until Mina, it's me. And then Wena, it's you.
Kamusu uyathandana mara wena. Yeah. Bheka manje ngino some pretty hand here. Everything is nice. 300 people here. 300. Some pretty hand. Follow me, Joe. Kanti why?
I'm gonna, yo guys, I'm not losing. Yo, it's child.
It's shy. Just follow the guy. It's shy. I'm sorry. Kanti kwenziwani la? Sesishaya umunyu. Angibonanga ukuthi unabantu abayi2. Ile nto la evele yashayina kakhulu ngabona kahle ukuthi ngihlale kule live angihambi. Kahle komashile. Mawungena kwababo iya live yakho kunabantu abayi2. Hambi yoshela. Yo. Disconnect. Lapha is wrong. So bayakhala la ku TikTok yami bathi hayi akahambi. Bathi akahambi. Mr. Spies. Akavele phela naye lona. Oh, hamdulillah. Mangabuhleli kanje ayi mina bazokucaka labantu abasemazweni ngiyakutshela. Abantu basemazweni bazokucaka kamampela. Na hamdulillah. Hamba. Already gone. Hamba. Hawu. Inhlakanipho. Awulali yini? I wish I could. Show man. Mhlambi network yami. Toxic. Do. Engathi bayenza icansi yilana. bashiya ifoni ilele. Ngathi laba yenisucansi bashiya ifoni nje ihleli. Guys, nangapha asabashaya abantu. DJ, kanti why ningaveli emakamereni wenu? Hayi labantu laba. Hayi bye. Gamu uvele ngenhloko kanje uvele kangaka. Uvezeni kahle kahle wena. Uveze isiqhoko. Hi, butterfly.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Hi, Cola. I'm good.
Why declining my match now? You don't play matches. Where are you from?
Are you gonna win me?
Okay, where are you from? And what is your name?
My name is Kiora.
Kiora.
Stay
My
very
name is
far.
Kamuso. My name is Kamuso. Can you pronounce it? Try.
Gonna put myself in the eye.
Okay. Where are you from? Kiora.
I'm from Pialo.
Pialo.
Yeah.
Which country? Which country?
South Africa. Which
Pia-
country? Where do you? Pialo in South Africa.
Johannesburg. I mean Johannesburg. Do you know Johannesburg? Are you in Cape Town?
Yes, I'm in Cape Town. I don't stay in Johannesburg.
You don't know Johannesburg.
Because I don't stay there.
Ooh, kahambe. Akahambe. Ngifuna ukudlala igame mina ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu sibe sidlala igame angifuna ukuthi manje sikhulume kuloku nami ngizilumilimi lana ngikhuluma nesingisi ngapha awu nkosi yami kumna hey K1 Kaylin hey Kaylin
Yo, bro.
where are you from Kaylin?
I'm from Cape Town, bro. Where you from?
Johannesburg.
Lekker.
Ne? Do you play matches?
Yeah, we can box. I feel like you're gonna win, but it's fine.
No, I don't want to take advantage.
Nah, it's cool, bro. Let's box.
Okay, let's box. It's fine. You are cooked, Kaylin.
It's cool, bro. It's my chance to match.
I want to come to Cape Town just for a visit, but I need some place to crash.
To crash, me, bro.
Yes, to crash.
Yo, I don't know where you can go, my bro.
I'll crash there at your house. It's fine.
Oh, I don't have a house, my bro.
There at your home. Where
My
you
bro,
at?
I'm homeless.
You're homeless?
Yes, yeah.
I don't like that. Come to Johannesburg.
Yes, yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Huh?
Or you live with parents?
I'm homeless, my bro.
Aye, man. You are in the house now. I see that. Kaylin, I'm not a Popeye. You at your house now. I can notice that. Uzomphoca lo bathi GPV. Oh, uyophela nini le mesh? But I love her. Fayo, go to her. Someone is saying he loves you here. Go there, boy, and confess. Go there. Angeke akubone la. Thatha ama-number fast. Hayi. Fikelwa yini Cape Town Nkosi yami? Ngilana mina. Kaylin, out of words. Ungiyuthile. Lesibhaca. Ungiyuthile guys. Ungiyuthile.
Wait, bro, what did you say?
Ungiyuthile. Did you mute me?
Nah, I was muted. I can hear you, but like, what did you say, man?
Hi.
Do you understand Zulu?
Yeah, I understand Zulu. You don't understand Zulu?
No, someone asked me my comments. Do I understand? So I say no.
Xhosa?
Nah.
What do you understand? Only Afrikaans and English?
Yeah.
I will teach you Zulu. How about that?
Yeah.
Don't say ne. You must learn.
Yo, Kylie.
I can't. Mutsipe. Mara Mutsipe Nkosi yami, Mutsipe banemali. Sasibhela Mutsipe ane gugu. Mutsipe wangishange. Mutsipe. Awuza simshaya. Ubani unalento ukuthi aphushe isikhathi. Siphele lesikhathi phela. Angazi nokuthi bengiyaphi mina kule mesh. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi kamuso boyapi. Abahambe lapho. Noma ngihamba ngiyaluza ngisho. That's why mangihamba noma ngimudla kanje mangihamba ngiyaluza. Sengicabanga ngilalelani. Michelle mfethu. Mara Nkosi yami ngihlala eJohannesburg guys, nanoma bengifuna ukunilalela ngise-Johannesburg use-Cape Town mara anizwe lapho. Anizwe lapho kokuqala like. What a waste of time. What a waste of weight. What a waste of you. You are wasting. Waste of data if ngizokhuluma na. Waste of data. How? Le ngiseJohannesburg Nkosi yami ngithi ngiyashela mina. Ngiyahlanya ekhanda. Thank you. Siyabonga ukuthatha advantage. Sibonga ukubambe advantage.
Ifel. Uyala wena special.
Kahambe. It's over me now. How it's yini inkinga manje? Hayi. Hey, hamba. Thank you Khetho kuhle eDonyathi. Which phone are you using bra? Ngisebenzisa Android. Your cam. Yakutshela le camera le ori yakhishizela.
Chuli Sara, onda mere ko.
Friend.
How are you? You wanna play match?
No, Yasir. We are tired of you. Hayi. Abantu basemazweni esesikhathele thina inkosi yami. Bandla. I like your hoodie, bra. Hoodie. Angishanga hoodie muzi mngana ngishaye lento le. Android ifunde kakhulu. Yabona nana ama Android wenu wa-update ngaso sonke isikhathi ngiyakutshela zoba so. Ngiyanitshela mina. Kanti abantu bavela abantu it's over between us. Yini inkinga yabo na? Your videos always manage to make me laugh. Thank you lapho. Ngari uthuwa dizoli. Quality yefoni yami. Thank you.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
Hi.
Hello. All right, mfethu.
Ngi right bafethu.
Alright.
Why ngikhoka ubhuti la ngenzeni?
Uyabulisa uthi shosho.
Wola. Maru shosho uko nje unje ushosho awuko nje.
Yinde.
Yinde.
Kanjani mawe?
Isiyo yo.
Oh yes. Okay. Singama west.
Nayi west.
Uyadala. Hi, how are you?
Good. Bengiloko ngidlala ama games as guys. Manje ngiyabona ukuthi nina anikho esimeni sokuthi nidlala ama game yabona.
Ama game kanjani la?
Nikuphi? Awusingibuze nikuphi? Ngoba engathi ninotshwala lapho ngize.
Woza.
Awuyisho ntona.
Nikuphi?
Etukisi. Etukomfrance eRampadeni.
Rainfontaine. Ay mina ngikude kakhulu ayi ngiyofika sewaphelile. Davidson. Yabo ukuthi ngiyohlela. Yayibona. Sambeni guys. Ziyasha lapha uCherry ubhorekile so uba like awuthi ngibe live because labantu abalaba yangibhora uba live. Yo brother.
How are you?
Kwam.
How are you?
Do you play Magic? Kwam.
I don't play Magic.
Mba. Mkapha. Yabona njani ini machayifani? Boreka kabuhlungu awukwazi ukuthembisa umuntu imali engaka. That's illegal. That is fraud. Ngakubophisa ngalento yenzayo. Imali engaka. Ungenza wena ngikhululeke muze empulweni. Isiboza ngiyasazi ke. Simka. What are you drinking, bro? Water. Ngimnandi siya. Awuyaloku iloader naso lesiphanca. I like your English. Hey mina ngikhuluma enye English mina out of this world. Welele akahambi. Akahambi isamo umunye phe because asikwazi ukuthi slow. Wolandolo. Where's yourself? Where's himself vele? Where's yourself, myself? Avela phefumulele phezulu. Ay, azabantu. Umuntu avela phefumula ngathi. Why uthanda imali kangaka? Ngikutshele inkinga yemali. Imali solve yonke into. Imali is the solution to all problems. If unenkinga unemali, shuthi unenkinga ekhanda. Inkinga nje. Yebo Nkosi yami.
Yebo.
Kunjani la?
Ngiyafika.
Yebo. siyaphila njengoba sihlula kaso. Tsiki.
Hello, brother. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Are you again?
Jij dan als me kak? I look like a girl.
No, are you again? You.
That's one.
Yes, you look like a girl.
That is a girl.
You.
Me?
No, you. Yeah.
Jai.
No, you don't. Have a backbone as a man. Have a backbone. Don't say, hello, brother. How you doing? Oh, have a backbone. Hello, brother. How you doing?
Salute. Boy.
You understand?
No.
Hump.
No.
There's no backbone. Backbone. Hello, brother. How you doing? Hello, brother. Hey. Ngiyabuza ukuthi awuyekede akanayo backbone.
Hello, bro.
Hello, bro.
How are you?
Very good, my guy.
I'm not good, my brother.
What's up, my king?
Bro, my friend Bone, he died.
Your friend Pony. It's not a dog or a cat.
It's not a dog or cat, my friend. That's my friend. Yeah.
I'm very sorry, my guy. I'm very sorry. My condolences. Stay strong.
Your condolences.
Yes, my condolences.
My brother, I don't know. My head is spinning.
Don't let it spin. Hold it. Be strong. Cry. Just if you want to cry.
You said I must cry for Bone.
No, my guy, I was kidding. When I say cry, I didn't mean now. Later.
Bone died. Let me tell you, my friend. Me and Bone, we went to primary school and high school and university together, and now Bone died.
Bone, Kosiam. Oh, Kosiam, little Bone. Ouch. I'm sorry, my brother. Yo.
My brother, can we do prayer for Bone? Can you pray for Bone?
Oh, Lord. As I pray, please accept Bone in heaven. Please open a place for Bone. Oh, Lord, thank you. Oh, amen. My guy, it's done. It's done, my guy. It's done. Yeah, Bone is okay. He's okay.
Yeah. So my brother, they killed Bone. They did a very wrong thing to Bone.
Hi. Bone is okay. Are you sure he's in heaven?
I don't know, bro.
He was a good guy.
Before he died, he did something wrong, you see.
Okay. Oh, the prayer was wrong. The prayer was wrong because we prayed to the heaven. What if he's in hell?
I don't know, my brother.
We wish Satan doesn't burn him too much.
Satan.
He did something bad, but I'm sorry.
I don't want to accept them. Let's me and you talk. Let's me and you talk, my brother. And let me tell you how they kill Bone, right? Do you wanna like match while we talk?
Yeah.
So let me tell you how they kill Bone, right, my brother? So Bone went for a party, right? Bone went for a party last week Friday. It
Last
was
week
Black.
Friday.
Yeah, it was Black Friday, you know.
Yeah.
So
Where you from,
that's
my
the
guy?
thing.
Black Friday, where you from?
Me, I'm from SA, my brother.
Oh, hi. Very good, very nice.
And you? Hi.
Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Bone tight.
Because
You should not smile. Bone tight.
because one of my friends came. My very close friends.
I'm sorry for Bone. You should also pray for Bone, please. Pray for Bone.
So let me tell you how they kill Bone, right, my brother? So last week Friday, Bone went for a party, right? So
Yes.
Bone is do hardcore stuff, right? He do hardcore drugs. Right.
Hardcore drugs.
Yeah, hardcore. So someone gave Bone one tablet, right? For 50% off. Bone paid like 500 rand for the tablet. Right?
Yes.
Normal price is 1000 rand. It's a small tablet like this. White one.
Bone
Okay?
like substance, Bone. Nada.
So Bone took the tablet, right? Bone took the tablet. Bone went 7 rounds. And Bone died.
He should have not. 3 was enough. Bone is greedy.
You see?
He should have not. 7 rounds.
In 7 minutes.
In 7 minutes. That's not even a round. 7 minutes, my guy.
Bone's skin started working like a machine.
Hey, Bone, he was using substance, ne?
It's a 500 rand. But then Bone died. So now I'm thinking Bone's funeral is this week Friday, right? Tomorrow. I'm thinking, do you think if I give Bone one tablet he'll wake up?
Give Bone another tablet.
No, not a tablet.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. But how am I gonna give a dead man a tablet?
Just stuff it here in his mouth. Ha.
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 Like a dog.
Yeah, like a dog. And try to see.
So maybe I'm thinking if I give him a tablet tomorrow, he'll wake up for 7 hours, not 7 minutes.
You'll give him again. You'll keep giving him tablets to keep him alive. Give Bone some substance. Give Bone.
Give Bone more substance?
Yes, to keep him alive.
Guys, go see how many people you got. How many people do you have in your life?
200.
Huh? 200. Ask your people, if I give Bone a tablet, will he wake up again?
He won't wake up. Once a dead man is dead.
Imla.
Once you die, you die.
Once you die, you
There's
die.
no way. Yeah, once you die, you die. Just go put Bone in his last place.
Lisa?
Farewell, Bone. It was nice being with you on earth. But the time has come. Bone gotta go.
The time has come.
The time has come.
The time has come.
The time has come.
But my brother, I think I can't split parts with Bone, huh?
Bone is gone. Okay, die. Okay, also do the same thing. Eat the tablets and hit 7 rounds and die. So that...
Wow. I'm not greedy. Why must I eat 7 rounds?
My guy, who's Bone?
Who's Bone?
Who's Bone?
Find out who's Bone. Bone is my friend. I told you, me and Bone, we went to nursery together, we went to primary, we went to high school, we went to university.
Bone, I think your Bone is that guy, is that thing, it's not that thing, Bone there.
So you're trying to say you prayed for that thing down? That's what you're trying to say.
Oh, I. Bone is a human.
So, I asked you one question. You asked me who's Bone. I told you Bone is my friend. You think Bone is that thing down there. So you are praying to God for that thing to wake up again and to go to heaven.
All right. Oh, I understand.
Deepika, they can't take me for a heart.
Don't smile. Bone died, my guy. Bone died. You
But
can't
Bone
smile.
can wake up again if I give him a tablet.
How?
You said tomorrow I must go for the funeral and take the tablet and put it in his mouth.
Are you on wake up? Dead.
You think so?
Dead, my guy. Don't drink anything. You must moan for.
No. I'm drinking strawberry lips for Bone.
My guy. Who is Bone?
For Bone in heaven. This guy, he just pray for Bone. He's thinking Bone is my penis. He's a crazy guy, this one.
No, guys, Dallas, call me Bone. Bye bye. Couldn't call me Bone.